was having some trouble, and I believe it was this kill switch. Wouldn't start, hard to start, battery light coming on in the sleeper. All right, YouTube, I'm replacing this kill switch. I just took out 2 bolts here and here with this 10mm wrench. And I use some grips because it's. Let me show you. These are the screws, 10mm both sides. You're going to have to unscrew one and hold the other one. Taking out all these. Just cut that tie ribbon. I gotta undo this top, cause that goes to that big cord, the big daddy right there. And then it's like all of them are back. I'm gonna clean them up real good. See what I can do with it. Maybe just rewire this stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna work with it. It cranks sometimes, sometimes it don't. I believe that's the problem. Let y'all know how it goes. Okay, here's the new part. Here's the new part right here. Look at this. 1, cancer and reproductive hormone. And it ain't nothing but a kill switch. I took the batteries out so I could work on it. That's where the batteries go. UpTime. And that kill switch is causing a lot of problems. See, those cables corroded too. I'm gonna clean them up real good. Alright, I'll let y'all know how it goes. Alright. Hooking up this kill switch. You got your lock, your nut, you got your weave washer. And this handle goes on here. And you got your nuts to go in the back. This is the diagram. Alright. Pretty simple. Take it off, put it back on just like it was. And this is like a little, that little deal there locks this handle in. Right there. Alright, here we go, y'all. I'm working on it. I got it off, basically. Now, take it off from the back. Take both of those off and then put them back on. We rocking and rolling. Stay tuned. Alright, this is the kill switch from the back. I was getting a picture. Same thing. This thing was causing so many issues. It was just hard to start. Sometimes it would just go black. You know, nothing. It was rusted and it's old. Alright, y'all. I got a new kill switch up in this damn thing. Yeah, buddy. Alright, took some doing. Used my drill. Clean this bad boy off. You got bristles to clean those terminals off. I'm about to put the batteries back in, but before I do that, I changed this terminal. It was corroded. Worse than that, had a hole in it and everything. So I changed this terminal. I'm gonna put some shrink wrap on it. Let me show you some shrink wrap. This is heat shrink tubing. Put that on there, heat it up. with a hose, with a lighter, and should be good. This is the crimping tool I used. Got it off of Amazon. Old crimping tool. And this crimping tool came with these here to cut it. So you get the crimping tool, and it was very cheap, very good price, like $30, $29, something like that. So far so good with that. Gonna put everything back together and see how it works, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube. That right there was a no-go because the shrink wrap that I have does not fit. So I'm gonna put everything back together and then go to the store, get me some more and put it back on there. Probably update you then. All right. All right, y'all. We got the batteries all back up in there. Kill switch going. And this bad boy hit hard. I'm here to tell you. It hit hard. I'm talking about hard, dude. It don't even hit like the same truck. And thing went well. I want y'all to hear this thing start up. Oh yeah. Here we go. Just listen to this. I like to let it cycle too. Somebody back there working on a trailer or something. Listen to this. It ain't never started up like that since I've had the truck. I think we're good, fam. Look at her. Like, share, leave a comment. Coach UpGrade doing the damn thing. It's running. She sounded good. Front up. We ready to rock and roll? Yeah! That's how we do it. I'm gonna share these little tidbits of knowledge that I have. I hope it helps somebody out. Help you out. And let me tell you what it was doing. Sometimes it wouldn't start, but my battery light in the back was coming on. That's how it started. Didn't know why it was coming on. We was trying to figure it out. I was changing all kinds of stuff. It would go away and come back. And then it started with this hard to start situation. I think I figured it out. That's not it. I'll let you know. But it's doing a hell of a job on starting up. Hey, y'all, good luck. That kill switch gave me a lot of headaches. Shorting out, wouldn't start, battery light coming on. Y'all be safe.